The wall. We've all faced it at some point or another. You know, the wall of work-related stress or unexpected life events, the burnout, the creative block, the lack of communication, the disconnect. Pushing past the wall can seem impossible. When we've been looking at a problem from the same angle, we often lose sight of other potential solutions, creating a vicious cycle of stress which can wreak havoc on our minds, bodies, and overall well-being. While we can't avoid stress, we can train our brain to relax. The secret? Doodling! The Doodle Challenge is an exciting game that combines neuroscience, psychology, and art and design theory, carefully developed for your brain's enjoyment. The Doodle Challenge provides numerous health benefits by building new neural pathways in the brain to enhance creative problem-solving, storytelling skills, and memory retention. All of this while reducing cortisol, your stress hormone, by engaging the brain's relaxation response. Oh, and did we mention how hilarious doodling can be? Relax, you don't need to be Picasso to play. The Doodle Challenge activates a natural psychological phenomenon called pareidolia, where our brain sees recognizable patterns in, well, random things. Have you ever seen a cow-shaped cloud or a face in a chest of drawers? We all have the ability to see, a leftover skill from early human development. Back then, it was essential to distinguish predators and other dangers from friends and shelter. So how does the Doodle Challenge work? Shuffle your 62 dry erase cards, and players take a card from the top of the deck. You can play solo too. Each player views and rotates their card how they want, until they see a scene in the random marks on the card, and then they add lines to the existing markings to tell the visual story they see. To get the points each card is worth, finish by adding a caption or title. The Doodle Challenge has 6 difficulty levels, each worth different points to stretch your thinking. Once the deck is complete, tally all points to crown the Master Doodler. Want to push the experience? Challenge players by swapping cards or use the included timer app. Remember, incomplete doodles lose points, but there are no wrong doodles. With expansion packs, accessories, and countless ways to play, the Doodle Challenge offers hours of fun and mental health benefits. Doodling can boost memory by engaging more of the brain's visual and motor parts, which creates a richer context and experience to help us better absorb and retain concepts. Doodling also transforms you into a better communicator. Storytelling engages our emotions and activates the imagination, targeting multiple parts of the brain, including our reward system. The Doodle Challenge is for all adults to use at home, the office, classroom, you name it, so you can limit stress, get more creative, boost your storytelling skills, and improve memory retention. The Doodle Challenge fuels your natural problem-solving skills. Your brain takes care of the rest. So next time you face the wall, see things from another perspective with the Doodle Challenge.